We are back here on Conversations on the Couch, and Louise Hodges, so excited to see you again with Greenbug. What an amazing system. It was so funny. You started telling Larry and Michael about how you got started. We're like, no, wait, this is so interesting for people who may not know. So tell everyone about Greenbug and the system that you, ma'am, created.
Well, I'm happy to tell you about Greenbug, and the background of Greenbug, how we started. We were in the landscaping business. I'm a landscape designer by training, and we moved down here, and our goal was always to get people outside because we want people outside and enjoying nature. And when we got down here, we realized the bugs were so bad you could not be outside. And I mean, it is the truth. The bugs, I mean, if you want to be outside, the bugs are there. So we thought, well, let's look into something that was safe, because it took about 20 minutes of research online to realize that traditional pesticides,
They're
not good for you.
no, they're very dangerous, and they have cumulative effects, and so like one application is not bad, but when you do it over and over and over, it really gets to be problematic. So we wanted something that was safe. So the active ingredient in Greenbug is cedar, like cedar chests and cedar closets where you never see a bug. We go a step further and make sure we triple distill it so it's food grade. So even if a child or a pet or something accidentally ingests it, it's totally safe. But the reason cedar is so effective is if you are a biting bug, cedar is deadly to you.
Oh.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
And that's just part of nature. Cedar doesn't affect honeybees or butterflies. It doesn't affect birds or pets or humans or deer or anything like that. But boy, if you are a mosquito, a no-see-em, a fire ant, or even like roaches and things, even though they don't bite, it is deadly to roaches. It controls them.
How does Greenbug work in the yard as a landscape designer?
Oh, the Greenbug system, yes.
How does that work?
Well, the Greenbug system allows your irrigation system to do two functions. The automatic watering, which everybody knows, say 3 times a week, 20 minutes a zone, whatever. That stays exactly the same. At a separate time, when the Greenbug programming runs, it runs for 2 minutes a zone per day, and it triggers the water and it triggers the pump. And then it's like an IV drip of the Greenbug into the main line, and it's distributed through the heads, and so everywhere that water is directed will be pest-free.
Different zones, meaning I can situate this where it is most effective?
Well, most people with a Greenbug system will put it through all zones. Because that's creating a barrier around the entire home.
Got it.
And therefore, then you don't have to do quarterly pest control. You have a barrier around the whole house, nothing's getting inside.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hadn't thought about that.
It's really cool.
Yeah, so it's really, there is an investment to put in the equipment, but after that, it is by far the least expensive way to have, and it's certainly the safest.
I remember you
24/7, 365 pest control.
Exactly, I remember you teaching me about it, and you've got other products that are adjunct to that too.
Right, we have a line of products, Greenbug products, so even if you don't have an irrigation system, you can use Greenbug through a backpack sprayer, a pump sprayer, a hose end sprayer. You can apply it however you want to. We have the Greenbug for people pets. That's your own personal repellent. And that's, we sell that all over the country online. And we have our ready to use, which I keep underneath my sink, you know, in case something pops up or whatever. But the Greenbug system is the easiest because it's automatic.
Exactly.
Yes, and so, you know, all you have to do is fill the tank maybe once a month, and it just takes care of all your bugs.
And you arrange for the installation to be done.
Yes.
And it works with basically all systems of sprinkler irrigation systems.
Right, so if you've got the infrastructure underground, we can make it work. The optimal time to put it in is under new construction when you're putting in your irrigation system. That's the optimal time, but probably 85% of what we do is retrofitting existing irrigation, which is very easily done.
And you know, Larry and Michael, we talk all the time about field trips. It is so much fun to go with them and really see all of this in action. It's pretty amazing. It's so great to see you.
Well,
Haven't seen you in so
Debbie.
long. Stay with us, more to come here on Conversations on the Couch.